This couldn't happen again. This couldn't happen again.
What's up YouTube, it's Shay, welcome back to my channel, hope you guys are doing well. Oh my gosh, that was a lot. Try saying that really fast. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be kind of a comfy, sit down, cozy little talk between each other. And I just want to update you on some like things that are going on in my life, you know, where I am mentally and physically in my life. And a lot has changed. So to start off, I'm going to explain pretty far back so you'll understand all of this. When I was very little, my parents got divorced. I think I was like 1 or something. I'm not really sure. I'd have to ask them. But I was really, really young when this happened. And before that happened, my parents moved down to Florida. And then they divorced and my mother went up to Minnesota because that's where they're both from. And I stayed with my dad, and I think he had major custody. I don't know what the custody arrangement was. I think it's 50-50. But the deal was that I would stay there year-round and then go to my mom's from the summer and Christmas. I spent most of my life in Florida. I grew up there, you know, Disney World, Busch Gardens, SeaWorld, all of those theme parks. It was great. You know, Florida's really cool. You know, the beaches, like, I lived it. I was there. But, things started getting hard around middle school, and if I have any people watching this video and you're in middle school is hard, but you will get through it. By the end of middle school and beginning of high school, I became depressed, and I was really just, I didn't want to do anything anymore. I just wanted to be in my room all the time. I didn't want to go out. I didn't want to do anything. You know, I was starting to lose things that I like to do. I almost gave up on YouTube a while back. You guys didn't know about that because that wasn't the Goodbye YouTube video. That was like something completely else, like something completely separately different. But things started getting really stressful and I didn't want to deal with it. And a big part of it was that I needed my mother in my life because I'm a teenager and I was maturing into a teenager, and I really, really needed my mother in my life because I needed that emotional support from my mom, because I grew up with my stepmom and my dad most of my life, and that's all I had, and you know, it was great, but at the same time I really needed my mom, and me and mom were really, really close. So I would see her in the summer at Christmas, and it would be too hard to go back and forth. So it's not like they lived in the same state where I could go every other weekend or something. Like, it was like we would go 6 months without seeing the other parent, and that would be my mom. So recently, about I think like a month ago, it was in May. You know, I moved here May 26th. I got here May 27th, but my dad finally made the decision to let me go and live there, which I think it would help me for the better, because I honestly, I don't know how to explain it. Like, if your parents aren't divorced, then I don't really think you'll understand very much, but it's really hard to not have both of your parents, let alone your mother. It's really hard to be there without my mother. And yeah, so I recently moved to Minnesota from Florida. So if you watch my past videos, you guys probably heard me mention a few times that I'm from Florida or that I live in Florida. And at the time I did, but now I moved here and I'm almost 16, so I'm 15. My birthday's in 2 months. Yeah, I feel like you guys just needed an update. I don't know if I gave you enough, but I kind of gave you the overview or like the Shkyex update in a nutshell, or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I think that was well deserved and we really needed that. There's still some things that I'm planning to talk to you guys about on YouTube because now I have a platform. I feel like I want to become closer with you guys. And that's kind of a thing that YouTubers do. I'm not saying that if you're a YouTuber you have to, but it's something that you can do as a YouTuber. But yeah. So like I said, I have some more things to talk to you about, but that'll be in videos ahead. And yeah. So make sure you go and subscribe down below and like this video. If you guys ever need anything, please contact me because I will try my best to be there for you guys. Thank you guys for putting up with me and this video, so I will see you guys in my next video. On to the bloopers. Bye. I love you guys. Of course I gotta get interrupted when I'm recording. And I didn't realize that this was here the whole time. I gotta redo that intro. And the Ace family posted right now when I decide to start recording. Should I record or watch the video? I'm gonna go really quick, I'll be right back. I don't know what that was. Just so I feel like I forgot to turn my case on. What is this over here? What is this? Oh. I just can't get it right today.